What is up, guys? Short Gamer here, and today I'll be doing another episode. And as you can see, wait, as you can see, I got the bronze play button, guys. Yeah, so I was just chilling, and then I could travel once, and that's when I got the play button. But then it said I could travel again, and when you look out the window, you see a huge city. Okay, even yeah, big buildings and all that. So I'm just proud of myself that I got the bronze play button, and hope you guys get one too if you play this game. But if you already have one, then you're cool. Yep. Oh, right now we have to um. Oh yeah, let's check the store too. Okay. Let's put that on sale again, and let's see. And an autographed pictures, and let's go back. Okay, so yeah, about the bronze play button. Now my new goal is to get the diamond or silver. I think it's a diamond or silver play button, but I'm not sure. But you get that when you're in outer space. Like, you look out the window and you see like lots of space and all that, like lots of stars, black, and yeah. Um. So yeah, I just want to show you. Sorry, this was a fast video. I just all I want to show you is the bronze play one that I got, and yeah. So see you guys in the next one. You know what to do.